Looking through these old photographs, don't they bring some good memories back? Some of them make us laugh, and some make us cry. I'm glad we've kept all of these souvenirs to prove that our love was here. Look at how happy we were, pictures don't lie. If forever